Hey everyone, welcome back to part 3 of our car gear series. Today we're fixing the mess in your ride. No more crumbs, dust, or clutter taking over. I've got 5 Amazon finds that make cleaning and organizing super easy. Links to all of them are in the description. Let's get into it. Ever glance back mid-trip to crumbs, pet fur, or spilled snacks all over your car and feel a little stressed? Today's first gadget is our portable car vacuum cleaner mini. It's super lightweight and powerful, so you can clean those messes in seconds without breaking a sweat. Those tiny car interior gaps are a total dust trap, right? Regular brushes either shed everywhere or are too stiff and scratch your seats. This car dust brush soft bristle solves it. Its plush bristles slip into every nook, cleaning easily without hurting your interior. And number 3, hate when your go-to car cloths streak your shiny windshield, shed lint all over leather seats, or crumble after just a couple quick washes. Well, pick up this car microfiber cleaning cloths pack from Amazon. These super plush, dual-sided cloths wipe up every mess streak-free and lint-free, and hold up wash after wash. Tired of sticky wrappers, snack crumbs, or even a rogue juice spill rolling loose in your car? This is product number 4, our collapsible waterproof car trash bin. It pops open instantly and folds completely flat for effortless storage. Ever open your trunk and find groceries, tools, and daily stuff sliding all over the place? Up next is product 5 in this video, this foldable trunk organizer for car. It separates everything into neat compartments so nothing rolls around, keeping your trunk totally tidy. Such a simple fix for that messy space. Hey, which of these 5 car gadgets was your favorite today? Drop a like, hit subscribe, and don't miss the next one in our series. All the links to every product are down in the description. Thanks for watching.